Hello there, PMU artists. I'm Rachel Beebe. I've been in the industry for 21 years, and what I've decided to do is put together 12 strategic ways to get PMU clients in the door. Times seem to be tough. People are struggling to get clients. Now, there's nothing quite like niching in on a client base or a procedure for you to blow your business up through the roof, become a specialist. However, here's some interesting strategic ways that you can get clients in the door no matter what stage you are in your business. So, 1 to 10 years experience, as you can see. Excuse me. So, level one, if you're just starting out, and this is for 0 to 2 years, you are very new. There's so much overwhelm. There's so much to learn. That goes for even up to, I'm 21 years now and I still struggle with things. I'm still learning. So the first one is the mini DM shout out swap. So what that means is you're going to partner up with a lash or nail artist that's also starting out. Feature each other in your stories with tags and kind words. It's an instant trust and audience sharing thing to do. Fabulous. Number two, technique curiosity reel. Film a 10-second video showing pigment testing or mapping with a curiosity lead like, this tells me everything I need to know. And then end with, want to know what I do for you? Send me a selfie. So they'll send that through to you. You can act on that and you can get back to them. Now, the third one for the 0 to 2 years is pinned comment DM strategy. And that means you're going to post thinking about doing something subtle with your brows, but unsure if it would suit you. Isn't everybody? And do you blame them really? Drop a hand and I'll DM you my pro opinion. Pin a few comments and follow up with genuine messages. So a great way to do that is using ManyChat, but that's a story for another day. Pop that into GPT and find out how it can work for you when you're posting on Facebook or Instagram, and it can follow up with you DM a word or a hand and then it will actually move forward for you. Right, now, the second one is level 2, mid to early growth, 2.5 to 5 years. This is a really beautiful time in your career, actually, because you've had the time to see your work back. If you're new, you haven't seen your work come back. You haven't seen if you shouldn't be using organic pigments, if you had too much pressure, if you went too deep. In 2.5 to 5 years, you've actually seen that. So, first of all, silent model call for portfolio refresh. So, put it out there. We might do this one. In a post, I'm refreshing my portfolio, looking for 3 faces, open to photography and filming, no filters, just honest beauty. Use a short application to filter serious clients. So you would say, somebody who's not had previous tattooing, somebody who's available all the time. Isolate the age bracket if you would like. And that just cuts out people that you don't want to have to waste time getting back to, essentially. Okay, the second one is meet the local expert interview swap. This is really interesting. Partner with a local beauty or wellness business, interview each other for reels or stories to cross-pollinate audiences. Share your work. That will be somebody that's at similar stage to you, similar stage in their business, time in the industry, and also looking to get clients. So you're borrowing someone else's audience. And number 3 is what she said, grid series. Share one quote from a client on a bold image. I can't believe, like you might have a photo of her and on top of it, it says, I can't believe I waited for so long. Then in the caption, that's what Sandra said after her appointment. She watched my work for 6 months before booking. Now she says she should have done it sooner. How often do you hear that? I love that though. That's actually in our message. If people are waiting that long, you're not talking directly to them. This is another reason why niching in or specializing in a particular client, which is what I do in the PMU pivot, this is why that is so important. You're just talking to them. It's like I'm talking to you at the moment. You need more clients. I'm putting forward this to you. Right. So level 3, established artists, 5.5 to 10 years, lots of experience. Lots of these ladies would have gone out and gone into training at this stage. However, if you're still on the tools like me, because I absolutely love it, these are some strategic ways to get clients in the door. Our client filter quiz. Is cosmetic tattooing right for you? So create a short quiz to let people self-select and learn whether they're a good fit or not. End with yes, but only with the right method for your skin, style and lifestyle, so that they will know that it is actually right for most people, but they have to work through that themselves. But it's a good little idea. So create a quiz. I've just done one of those recently. What did I do? Oh, and I'm working out, it's for cosmetic tattooists or PMU artists. What stage are you actually at? What is holding you back? Why aren't you succeeding the way that you want to? And it's really, really very powerful and very popular little quiz. So, and then there is the invisible work testimonial prompt. Ask clients, what's something unexpected that changed after your browse? Post it with the line, it's not just the browse, it's what happens after. That is really, really important. And then there's the client story series, reversed. Ask clients what made them finally book. What were they worried about and what changed for them? Share their actual words for the next level relatability and emotional marketing. So you can ask them, do the little exercise, and then that's instant post for you. Level 4, veteran artists. That sounds terrible, doesn't it? But in the industry for 10 plus years and possibly training as well. So the legacy wall strategy. Create a visual timeline of past clients with mini stories like, she first came to me in 2014 and she still returns every 2 years. And want to be next. So that is saying that you've been trusted, she's happy with your work. It's proof in the pudding. Number 2 is anti-trend series. What I don't do and why. I love this. Post about trends you avoid and why. i.e., why I don't follow brow trends, I follow bone structure. Boom. If you know me, I'm all about the orbital bone. Everything's around that. Position yourself as thoughtful, custom, and results focused. And number 3, last one, pinned comment DM strategy. Also works at this level. Use this tactic when you're posting education or strategy. Ask for micro engagement, then follow up in the DMs. Quietly powerful. So again, that is actually getting the mini chat or something system linked up. So as they comment, you're able to have a follow-up response for them. Now, like I said, my name's Rachel Beeve. I created the PMU Pivot. It is a program that I do in my day-to-day life. I had an extremely desirable business. I have mature skin clients come through the door day after day. Now, I can turn this business up, i.e. book in more clients, or turn the business down. I'm about to go away for a couple of months. Now, I haven't got here overnight. It's been about 7 years and I've worked really, really hard. But now I've just got this fantastic little system that works so well and I wanted to share it. So it's called the PMU Pivot. I'm going to put here now that's the link that you can go and watch about the pivot, learn a little bit more about it. So if you're struggling in business, you really don't know what to do, you're struggling to stand out in what you think is a saturated market, there's a very strategic little way in. I teach you everything you need to know. I teach you about pigments, needles, skin, mapping, everything. The tattooing technique, there's videos, there's checklists, there's everything you need to do. You never need to research anything on YouTube again. Anyway, I hope this has helped you. Have a fantastic week.